Introduce highlight features or overview summary for PETSITE 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Make your life more comfortable with this portable air conditioner. This 10,000 BTU air conditioner features 3 modes: cool, dry and fan modes to meet your different needs. You can switch the fan speed to high or low for customized airflow. Meanwhile, the operating sound is lower than 55 decibels, which won't disrupt your sleep, work, and more. This portable AC unit is designed with a 24-hour timer to turn it on or off automatically. Besides, the handy remote control, touch panel, and clear LED display ensures simple operation. Featuring a child lock function, this portable air conditioner is an ideal choice for a family with kids. And it can be used in the bedroom, living room, garage, office, and others. Features: powerful and large area cooling, adjustable airflow direction. 1 to 24-hour timer allows you to set the auto on/off time. Low noise less than or equal to 55 decibels and energy-saving sleep mode. Easy to operate with LED display and remote control. Removable and washable filter for convenient cleaning. 4 wheels and built-in handles for better mobility. Safety child lock function. ETL and DOE certification. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.